Hello guys, welcome to another beautiful session with me, and today I'll be showing you step by step on how to create logo design using our smartphone. And this tutorial is going to be divided into two parts. One, we are going to work on Pixellab. Another one, we are going to work on photopea to give it a finishing touch. So without wasting time guys, let's dive into today's business. So first thing, I'm going to import the image that we are going to work on. And this is it. So click on it, then we drag it like this. Take it too much. Okay. So after that, I'm going to erase. I want to create a circle at the middle, and I don't want to merge. What I will do is I will go to the eraser tool. This is the eraser tool, and I'll click on this one, click on circle. I will scale it like this. I think it's okay, so I'm going to remove the parts. So I click OK. As you can see, it's balanced. Everything is okay like this. So what I'll be doing next is that I'm going create a circle shape. And this is click OK. And that is done. So I will go to the test, click on test, I will write just S, click OK. I'm going to increase the size. I'm going to reduce it. I'm going to change the font now. So I'm using this font. Basvilla Board. Bascavilla Board. I think you can see it. This is the font I'm using. So let me click OK. But before we go further, I will change the color of this one. I will change it to not red. I will pick a color here. Let's pick one of the default color that we have here. Pick this one. I click OK. So bring this one here. Let me scale it a bit. Scale it. I think it's too much. Okay, so what I'm doing next is to merge this one, the S and the circle together. So I'll merge it, and I will erase the color. Eraser, erase the white background. Tolerance like this. And for this one, I'll change the color. Something like ash or grey rather. And it's cool. I'm getting the let me lock the two. So I want to create an effect at the top. So So I'll come down to this place, do this. Let me change the color now. Pick this color and I'll scale it. This one, copy, drag, copy, drag, copy, drag, then copy. I'm going to include this one, include it a bit, and drop it to the middle. So I'm just going to arrange. Let me go to angle. We rotate, so I move it and I click OK. So I'll put OK. Let me try and do this one a bit. Better still, delete it, copy this one. Copy. Drag this. Yeah, I think we are good to go now. So one more thing that I'm going to do, go to our text and I'm going to write this sunlight and click OK. OK. Make it bold. Make it bold and change the color to ash. Then we are going to go to curve and bend it. So yeah, change this school like this. Then to make it more visible, I'm going to stroke and add more stroke to it. So I've changed the color of the stroke to the same, to ash and to gray color. And with this we are good to go. So next thing for us to do is to change the background and export it. Export it. So we are on our Chrome browser. So I'm going to type photopea. You can see it in photopea.com, online photo editor. So you click on it and it's going to bring us to this page. So for now we are going to click on template but somehow I cannot see the template here, so I'm going to rotate it back um to portrait. So I've rotated it to portrait and you can see the template. We click on template. I'm going to change it back. So we are going to pick the one that we like. We are going to use here. We're going to pick a template here that I'll be using. For this tutorial, we go for this particular one, logo mockup. You click on it and you click on the logo. So wait for it to load up. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, you can do well to subscribe to my channel now. Thank you. So after when it has done loading up, we are going to locate this is the layer. See, this is the layer. Let me show you. This is the layer. So you click on it, then you see this logo, your logo here. You double tap on the middle. Then this Gravis family, you hide it, close the eye icon. So what we'll be doing next is to go to this file. This is the file. So close. So we'll go to file, this file, click on it, then open and place. Click on open and place. So you locate your design and you are going to paste it. So I click on it, so wait for it to load. This is the design. So wait for it to load. So it has done loading. So I'm going to either we drag it or drag it a bit. And you adjust it. And drag it to the middle. Then when you are done with that, you click on mark. This is mark. So you click on this. I think you can see. Let me drag this one. You can see this mark. So you click on it. So after that, you click on file and you click on save smart object. Save smart object. And when that is done, you click on the 3D logo this here to preview your work. So wait, and as you can see, our work is ready. Can you see? This is awesome. This is nice. So we are going to click export as, then click PNG. So wait for it to load up. And as you can see, our work. So we click on save and download. Now let's open it and let's see our work. Wow. Can you see? Alright guys, and this is all for this video. Thanks for watching and God bless you. Don't forget, keep creating, keep engaging and keep learning. To support me, please do well to check the description below to get access to my digital product. Thank you so much, and don't forget to like this video, share it with your friend, and if you have any question, kindly drop it at the comment section. Keep creating, keep engaging, keep learning, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.